100 miles per hour.
I worry about extreme weather, but I don't know how to help.
I like to be ahead of the curve, using technology to make life easier.
I'm fascinated by meteorology. Some might call me a weather geek. I like trying to out-forecast the Weather Channel and then looking at the data to see how I've done. No other forecast apps have really helped, and I've had it with clunky, outdated weather stations.
Introducing the all-new Tempest, the most advanced personal weather system ever designed. It includes an AI-powered forecast app with guaranteed accuracy, fueled by a cutting-edge weather station and bolstered by WeatherFlow's data science. We are all impacted by the weather, but we shouldn't have to feel helpless. The new Tempest system can inform our day-to-day planning while also helping the world better prepare for severe weather. And weather geeks love Tempest.
I've been impressed by the simplicity and accuracy of the hardware, and I haven't had to touch it since I put it up. And measuring wind speeds using the speed of sound? Now, that's just plain cool. In addition to the real-time stream of weather info, I love seeing the data actually improve the forecast here at my home. Not to mention very timely alerts.
Nice, but time to get off the roof. Turn your smart home into a genius with precise weather information that is not available with any other weather app.
Tempest integrates seamlessly with my smart devices, giving me more control of my home and helping me save money.
And that's not even the best part. Data from my Tempest is made available to national weather services and scientists across the world, helping us all prepare for the impact of severe weather.
The data you share has many uses, from improving public safety to helping conserve energy on a broad scale. And ultimately, the collective data helps researchers better understand the world's weather.
Having a more accurate forecast helps me plan my day. And the app makes watching the weather a lot more fun.
My co-founders and I have built a passionate team of meteorologists, data scientists, and engineers. Accurate weather observations and better forecasts have been our forte for more than 20 years. We're proud of our new personal weather system. We love how it helps us plan our day here in Santa Cruz. We want to have an impact on how the world deals with extreme weather. Like you, we want to protect our families and take positive action. We think there's a little bit of weather geek in just about everything. So please, back our campaign today.